This week on Sailing Bagheera, we start the week off at Iluka. So far we've been here for 2 days, so we decide to cruise down the Clarence River. Our first stop is to fill up with water at the local pontoon, where we meet a guy who knows how to fish.
I'm jealous. How big fish?
We pulled into Fishing Haven Holiday Park on the Clarence River. Been able to pull up at the little pontoon here for the night. $10 a night, bargain. Just having a little walk around and exploring the area. Coffee van, cafe. The Harwood Bridge up ahead. You can organise to have the old bridge lifted so you can get through. We did try ringing yesterday and didn't get any response, so unfortunately we're just going to leave it and head back to Yamba today.
Unfortunately, on the way back to Yamba, a head of our Genoa ripped off from the furler, meaning we won't be sailing anywhere until we get it repaired. As you're aware, Cheryl and I don't have a sailing background, so we have no idea how to get the sail off the furler to a sail maker. Fortunately, Mr. Google and YouTube come to the rescue, together with Scott Hinton of Scooter Sails in Yamba, who assisted us and repaired the sail, good as new. Scott went out of his way to come into the marina from another job to help us out. Our problem now is to pull the top of the furler down and put the sail back on the furler, so Cheryl goes up the mast again.
Murray's happy because his Genoa's all back up, nice and tidy, and all fixed up.
Next morning we motored to Ballina. Conditions were very rough and winds not at all favourable, but we had an appointment in Ballina we had to make. We crossed the Ballina bar under extreme caution conditions.
So it's not all smooth sailing, and as we just found out, Murray's just ended up with his cup of coffee all over himself. It's pretty rough today.
If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe. It encourages us to continue on showing you our adventures.